Okay, male mal magalong. Chalun jo ke ye ke part 2 ke bograu. Chana chup ke bograu. Michi part 1 ke bokel michi kwen. Kichi part 2 ke bokel chi kwen. Kichi part 1 ke bograu chi kwen. And tama work on go good bograu. And first again, I would like to say hello and congratulations for making it this far. So if you've already done with part 1 of Thoknath Bok Rew, and you've done with part 2 of Thoknath Bok Rew, and you're done with part 1 of Thoknath Bok Rew. Now we're coming to the final part of book 2, ke Bok Rew ke Thoknath. So yay, it's just going to be only 10 slides, and I hope you will do just well, just like you've done with the rest of the parts. Okay, so I know we've already talked about these parts, how you can pronounce all this. So we're moving on to the next slides. Pill. Pill. Pill, this is like a grinding stone, This is traditional grinding stones, okay? Others have a different shape, but this is the traditional grinding stone. Pill, a grinding stone. Others will call it millstone. Meme a pill. This is a millstone, or if you want to say grinding stone. Mandang te ke pill. Dang's mom has a millstone. Anta ke pilbo. I have a millstone too. I have a millstone too. Pil arekal. Pil arekal. A millstone in the compound. A millstone in the compound. Chak aretag. Chak aretag. The milk in the clay ball. Or you can say there is a milk in the clay ball. Tak awi nyamal. The ball is on Yamal's head, or the ball, or you can say the clay ball is on Yamal's head. Rejro areitag. There are two fish in the fire. There are two fish in the fire. Nyarak take a man plag. Nyarak take a man plag. Nyarak as a chicken. Nyarak as a chicken. Manjak take a pill. Manjak take a pill. Jack's mom has a millstone. Jack's mom has a millstone. If you're using the book, you might see I've made some correction here. Te to te. Te by la take a pill or take a pill. Okay, so we're moving on. Pew. If you ever carried water like that, this is how we do it in Africa. If you've never, or if you go to visit, your mom may ask you, go fetch me some water, and that's how you will fetch some water. You go to a distant place, then bring the water home. It's not like we have here in the Western world, or sometime in some cities in Africa, but if you live in the village, that is how it is. Water, they don't have, tap water in the village, but in the cities they have, the same water that you have here in the U.S. or other parts of the Western world. Pew, P, other people call P, others say pew, okay? No, water, bring. This is not a sentence, it's just saying water, then the statement bring. Pew, no. No, P, bringing water. Titi ke pew. Titi ke pew, or you can say titi ke pi. This is water. Nyareak chaman nong pew. Nyareak chaman nong pew. Nyareak brought her mom water. Nyareak brought her mom water. Chapew no, she brought water. Cherei tal ke piu. She cooked the fish with water. Jak cherei titi nong man. Jak cherei titi nong man. So I think I skipped to translate that, but here is what it says. Jack brought this brought this fish to his mother. Jack brought this fish to his mother. So I think I skipped a sentence there, forgive me. Red, chetagde no. Red, chetagde no. Red brought his bull. Red brought his bull. So let me make the correction, okay, before we move on. Okay. So the statement should be Jack brought this fish to his mom. Okay. Jack brought this fish to his mom. And now our correction is done. Okay. Still with me? I'm still here. And we're all learning, okay? We all make mistakes. And I just did. I skipped the all line. Okay, but now we're good. So, Red, Red brought his bull. Cheja moj pew, he gave it water. Cheja nong, rag. It's supposed to be cheja nong, rag. Why do I make a lot of mistakes? Cheja nong, rag. I know a lot of people say rich, but rag, okay? Cheja nong, rag. He brought it into the compound. He brought his bull into what? Into the compound. Note, like I put here, when you see the notes that I made is pew, most of the Western Nuer will say P. Jibinti odial, akene P. Mwepi the mother. But in the Western Nuer, Eastern Nuer, they normally say, Moyega pew the mother. Give me water to drink. Okay? So, pew, P is all the same thing. Okay. Sometimes they're used interchangeably. Oh, there we go. God, children or babies. Titi kagad. These are children. Now the plural of God. Mangan chagad mojrech. The mother gave children fish. The mother gave children fish. Chaka moj pew kanechak dal. She gave them water and goat milk. What a lovely mother. She gave Chaka moj pew kanechak dal. She gave them water and goat milk. You see these lovely green kissing birds? So did mean one bird. Did mean many birds, or you could just say birds. So did, bird, a bird, and then did, birds. Meme a did, this is a bird. Titi did. My God, something is really wrong with me today, yeah? I just made another mistakes again. Titi did mean these are birds. Okay, and again, I'm sorry about that. So, okay, Titi Kadid, these are birds. Edid Medid, it is a big birds. Okay, Did Are kaka. There are birds in the gardens. Chika bel chum. They had crops. Man rat ben rag. Red Mom came to town. Remember when I told you that rag sometimes does not, I told you before that rag sometimes does not only mean a fence. Other people will mean town. So fence cities, from the fence cities. So town. Manrat Jebenreg or Manrat came from town or came to town. Chelek Denen. Chelek Denen. She saw her pestle. She saw her pestle. She read a known thing. She read a known thing. Red brought it there. Chetuk medit nentin. She saw a big bull there. Okay. All right. Next things. Oh, my favorite. Fishing spear. Okay. Bit my pike. The spear fishing. Bit pike. My, or you can say my, spear fishing. Red can a deng shikawa mai. Red and deng when fishing. Or you can say when spear fishing. You know the difference, right? Spear fishing is when you grab a pike and you begin, spearing fish in the water. That's called mai. Show a mai. Okay? Don't say stabbing. This is not stabbing fish, but it is spear fishing. Okay? So chikawa mai kabit. They spear fish with a pike. Red take a bit. Red has a pike. A bizde. It is his pike. Deng take a bizbo. Deng has a pike too. Or you can say Deng also has a pike. Amani jagbo. And so is Jack. Mandang chagade mojbiz. Deng's mom gave her son a pike. She got wamai. The children went spear fishing. Deng chairman mosh rich. Deng gave his mom fish. Mandang cheke tal. Deng mom cooked them. Okay, we're moving on. Miss Mim. Miss Mim. Foods shackle. Food shackle. Chi Mimben. The shackle came. Maybe this is not a correct way to say it in English, but this is just a direct translation from Nuer, okay? Chi Mimben. The shackle came. I know you can say the shackle were brought. Someone has to bring, or cha mim nung, okay? If you want to say the shackle were brought, you can say cha mim nung. But the book decided to say chi mim ben. The shackle came. Chi mim ben. The shackle came. Jak chi mim nung. Jak chi mim nung. Jak brought the shackle. Man jak chi mis chi miet tal keje. This is supposed to be keke, because mim are in plural, okay? Manjak chemis tal keke. But the book says keje. Jack's mom cooked the food with it. Jack's mom cooked the food with it. It what? The shackle. Cheka tal kamaj mim. Cheka tal kamaj mim. She cooked them on shackle fire. Chagat moj miet. my mistake again. Shagad Moimet mean she gave the children okay, Shagad Moimet. Okay. Okay, she gave the children food. There we go. So Chagad Moimet she. What did I just do? I am so prone to mistake. She gave the children food. Now you have something to laugh at this lesson. So me muffin, there is a chuckle. Nyamal she pew nong, Nyamal brought water. Chabel nen re kaka. She saw crops in the garden. Crops, okay. Chikadit, they are grown. Ooh, corns are almost ready. Okay. Ring, ring. Meet, run. Okay. So these two words rhyme. They spell the same, but the only difference is that is his core underneath I, which is ring, and that means meat. So, poof, I want some barbecue of this. Ring, ring, ring mean run. This is quite a runner. Okay. Meme ring, like this one. Meme ring. This is meat. Ring michi deng enong man. Ring michi deng enong man. The meat Deng brought to his mother. The meat Deng brought to his mother. Ring dal. It is goat's meat. Chimman dang ethal. Deng's mother cooked it. Chigad meat the children had. Chitak wa re kaka. A bull went into the garden. Chideng ring. Deng ran. Whew, Deng is running after his bull. Chideng ring. Deng ran. Chering kapet. He ran fast. Ring, ring. Okay, so you know how to write that. Okay, jit, jet. Anything related to jit, okay, you say jet. Then jit, yes. What's the difference? The only difference is the I underneath. Jit, E. This is E. Jit, jit. Scorpion, here. Meme jit, meme jit. This is a scorpion. Jit charan kach. The scorpion bite someone, or you can say bite a person. A jit midit. It is a big scorpion. It is a big scorpion. Okay. Jit, jit. I also have one. Jit. Okay. Jit, jit, jit. Okay. Nyamal take a jit. Nyamal has ears. Take a jithro. She has 2 ears. Anta ke jithro bo. I also have 2 ears, or you can say I have 2 ears too. Yinti ke jithro bo. You have 2 ears too. Yin. Sorry. Did I skip this? Or the book skipped this? I have no idea. My mistakes are many today. Yinti kagad. Where is my mirror? Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Okay, Jintika God has a question for you. Do you have children? Jintika God, do you have children? Okay, Teak, Tiak, anything related with Teak is called Tiak, okay? Teak, door. Sometimes the door is not just the opening. This Teak is not the door as in opening. It is the door, the shutter. This shutter here is what is known as Teak. Maybe I should say shutter instead of the door. The part that shut the door. The door could be the opening, you know, but this is not opening. It's the one that closed, that seal of the opening is Teak, door. Teak are thin. There is a door, or you can say that is a shutter. Okay, a Teak medid, it is a big door. A Teak man Jack, it is Jack's mother's door. Unja Teak Jack nen, I saw Jack's door. Ja man palag nyarag nen bo, I also saw nyarag chicken. B, B-A, anything related with B, B-A, okay? Cloth, you know, cloth. Meme a B, this is a cloth, or you can say a piece of cloth. A B nyamal, it is nyamal cloth. Nyamal take a B medid. Nyamal has a big cloth, or have a big piece of cloth. A B milwal, it is a red cloth, or you can say a B midar, it is a red cloth, okay? Jintig a B, do you have cloth? Sometimes cloth is not countable. Forget this, forget I put A, forget I put B, this is not countable, okay? Do you have cloth? Okay, now we're practicing here. Titi God, these are children. Titi Kedid, these are birds. Titi Kerech, these are fish. Titi Kaman Plagni, these are chickens. Chigad Wadeb, the children went fishing. Chika Wamaibo, they went spear fishing too. Chika Red Cup, they caught fish. Chika did, she did Red Cubba. She did Red Cubba. The bird caught fish too. Did you know actually bird can actually go fishing? Birds sometimes go fishing. We have a lot of big birds in South Sudan that go fishing. You know, whenever you go and visit South Sudan, always go to where you can see bird fishing. You will be amazed by all the different kind of big bird that you will see. Some birds are actually, what, 4 feet tall? 4 feet tall. If you are 4 feet, then some bird are as tall as you are. Others, I think, are 5 feet tall. There's some tall birds in South Sudan. Okay. She did a cub. The bird caught fish too. She could catch them. They had them. God, she could no mandang. The children brought fish to Dang's mother. Mandang chekatal we my. Dang's mother cooked the fish on fire. Chekatal kamach mean. She cooked them on charcoal fire. Nyarak che young ngach. Nyarak milked the cow. Red chedel ngach. Red milked the cow. Oh, and I think we missed one thing here. Che man mush chak del. Che man mush chak del. She gave his mother goat milk. She gave his mother goat's milk. Okay? Man Jack take a teak. Jack's mom has a door. A teak midi. It is a large door. Man rat teke pil kenelek. Man rat teke pil kenelek. Red mom as a millstone and a pestle. Red mom as a millstone and a pestle. Chering tal kepew. Chering tal kepew. She cooked the meat with water. Jak chi jit a catch. Jak chi jit a catch. Jack was bitten by a scorpion. Jak chi jit nak. Jak chi jit nak. Jack killed the scorpion. Cheje nak kapat. He killed it fast, or you can say he killed it very quickly. Deng che yang nen. Che nyang nen, sorry. Deng che nyang nen. Deng saw a crocodile. Chering, he ran. Jinti ke bi midit. You have a big cloth, a big piece of cloth. Jinti ke jisro. You have 2 ears. Chi mit kagad kel. Chi mit kagad kel. You ate with the children together. Shows ke nouns. Okay, so maybe kel mechana bala chuptin in tama. This is in your Teach Yourself grammar. So this is the end of book 2. If you've made it that far, you are soon to becoming, a professional writer and reader in Nuer language. So this is it for today. Thank you.